change of state using candle wax. You need a wax candle, an empty tin, a tripod stand, a Bunsen burner, matches, a metal spoon, safety glasses. Wear your lab gloves. Put on the safety glasses. Break the candle into small pieces. Remove the string. Place a few pieces of the candle into the tin. Heat the tin with a Bunsen burner. Take care to heat the wax gently and that the wax does not overheat. Observe that the white color of the solid wax changes to a transparent yellow color. The wax has melted. Turn off the Bunsen burner. Dip the bowl of the metal spoon in the melted wax for about a second and pull it out. Take care that the liquid wax does not come into contact with your skin. Watch carefully as the liquid wax cools and becomes solid wax again. A white deposit is formed on the spoon. When you heat the solid candle wax, you supply energy to the wax particles. This energy makes the particles in the solid candle wax vibrate more. This movement overcomes the strong forces of attraction between the particles, and the particles start to slide over each other. The candle wax has melted and turned into a liquid. When you dip the bowl of the metal spoon into the melted wax, energy is transferred from the liquid wax to the spoon. The wax particles slow down because they have less energy. The forces of attraction between the particles pull them closer together, and they now become organized into a regular arrangement. The particles are hardly moving now and only vibrate slowly. This is solid wax.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you. Anytime, anywhere.